In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in WooCommerce. Now, for those of you who are setting up your own online store, WooCommerce is a fantastic tool that integrates seamlessly with WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add your products and entice your customers with the perfect descriptions and images. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll first need to navigate to the product editor. This is where all the magic happens. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Look for the WooCommerce option on the left-hand side menu, and from there, navigate to Products. You'll see an option that says Add New. Go ahead and click on that. You're now in the product editor, ready to start creating that alluring product page. Next up, it's time to complete the core fields of your product listing. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for how your product will appear to potential buyers. Start by giving your product a catchy title. This should be reflective of the product itself and is critical as it's typically what grabs a shopper's attention first. Try to keep it informative yet succinct. After naming your product, it's time to fill in the detailed description. You'll find the main editor below the title. This area is where you can really delve into what makes your product special. Consider including key details about the product features, benefits, and any other information that would inform or persuade a potential buyer. Think of it as your opportunity to really connect with your customers, so make it engaging and helpful. Moving on, don't forget about the short description field, which you'll find lower down on your screen. This short description appears near your product images when customers view your product page. It's a snapshot of your detailed description, so focus on the most important aspects, maybe a few standout features or a unique selling point. The goal here is to immediately catch the eye of your customers and entice them to explore further. And that about wraps it up. You've now successfully navigated through the essentials of adding a product to WooCommerce. Remember, taking the time to craft a detailed and appealing product listing can make all the difference in how your customers perceive and engage with your products. It's not just about listing an item, it's about storytelling and creating an experience. So, as you continue to add products, keep refining your descriptions and titles to ensure they resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!